If you're dealing with a leaking water meter assembly in Connecticut, figuring out who's responsible and how to fix it can be super confusing. So, here's the thing about water meter leaks. Usually, the city or water company owns the meter itself, but everything after the shutoff valve on your property line is your responsibility. If the water company can shut off your water right outside your house, then they should handle fixing or replacing the meter assembly. But if that shutoff is inside your home or past your property line, then you gotta call a plumber and get it fixed on your dime. For the leaking part you mentioned, sometimes it's tricky to find the exact replacement piece because meters aren't all made the same way. If the plumber can't find the part, replacing the whole meter assembly might be your best bet. Just make sure whoever replaces it uses a standard ball valve for easier future maintenance. Also, before any work starts, double check with your water company to confirm exactly where they cut off responsibility. This saves a ton of headaches. And when you do hire a plumber, ask them to coordinate with the city if a water shutoff is needed outside your home, so everything goes smoothly. One of the biggest mistakes people make with water meter leaks is assuming the water company will fix everything. Knowing where their responsibility ends helps avoid surprise bills. Another common issue is trying to patch or DIY the leak without shutting off the water properly, which can cause bigger problems or flooding. The third mistake is not getting a plumber who knows local codes or can't find the right parts, leading to delays or improper fixes. Always choose someone familiar with your area's regulations and who communicates with the city if needed. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot to find trusted local plumbers who get these kinds of jobs done right without drama. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for reliable help, making sure everyone wins.